Poor guy Chamberlain, this red MG absolutely spanks his bottom. New national front-wheel drive record. Incredible.
Somewhere around here somewhere. Oh, let's buy this old Saab. They were brand new when I put them on. They've left a fucking mark where they've sat. Look at the fucking bidey cunts going on in here, boy. This car's, yeah. Oh my god. That's anything to go by. This engine needs a rebuild. I mean, when I first got it, it was so nice. It was so well kept. Now it's here and it's got it's getting a fucking tree growing through it. Get in there. Where's the rats? So I got my sister here to help me. She's gonna help me mount the doors on. Unpaid labour, straight from the garage. Lock, boys. Oh, fuck. That has not been opened in a long while. There you go, you can actually see the marks where it's supposed to run and it's just been cut out, like, been left open. It's actually, this car's slowly beginning to look more like a 200 SX. Oh,
180 SX.
I lost that twice, not once but twice in the fucking dirt, man. They ain't the nicest of doors, but we'll pull them out. Sort of flush, it's a little bit offset, but it is pushing up against there. So aftermarket speakers or whatever, they'll sit right back in there. So there we go, now we've got a door. Neutral. Fine, neutral. That's neutral. One side. Fucking spidey cunts. Off it goes. So it's sat for a year. 2 years just here. Look at the way they've grown. It's there like, where's the sunshine? I seek daylight. This was a good shell. You served me well. And there she is. Oh mate, Aiden, fucking miss you, man. So a few things we're still gonna need off this engine bay. Dude, because it's been kept out in the rain. Look how fucking tiny it is. TRX door handles, so I might keep onto them. Oh man. Dude. Oh man, that brings up some fucking memories. This is full of fucking water as well. Macclesfield MOT service. Like, these are brand new arches as well, but I used 1K products and it just fucking ate. Oh. Fucking hell. The whole floor pan on this car's rotten. Engine bay looks a little bit different than last time. He's put a fucking battery in there and stuff. Oh my god. Hello? Dude, I'd so do a road trip in this. Video to 100,000 likes and we'll do a fucking road trip to Germany in this fucking thing.